Welcome to nature. I'm here with my dad and Grammy, who we're social distancing from. It's so wet out. A lot of the path is rained out.
Yeah.
It looks like the stuff in our fence, except grown all big.
Isn't it grape, like that grapey kind of?
It looks the same, yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like the hexus tree.
Yes.
With all that bark hanging, yeah, it looks really
I love Fern Gully.
kind of scary.
Apparently Tim Curry was the voice of the hexus, which I did not know.
See all mossed up in these.
Yeah.
I think they're old. I don't think they're like 1700s like some of them, but I think they're pretty old. I'd say.
Some of them look to me like they were kind of rebuilt. That's what I guess.
That could definitely be true.
He was not afraid at all. I don't think porcupines are, I think they're pretty bold.
The thing rotates around. That'd be good.
We've encountered a impasse.
Yeah, let's go back.
Swamps of sadness, eh?
Let's go back.
This is where our Tex lives now.
Great.
Time to go.
Ooh, and lots of these bugs.
Yeah, bugs like water. Time to go this way.
Yeah,
Science facts with Isaac B. Bugs love water. D.
Well, this is pretty recent.
Yeah, it must be.
Yeah.
It's very, very fresh.
What do you think? Lightning or?
No, it'd be more red. Just wind. I'll bet that crazy windstorm we had.
That's safe. Private property. This looks a lot like the waterfall from Milo and Otis.
When it's
I want
warmer.
to sit right there.
Let's pull a bench over here.
Oh, bugs are coming.
Yeah, we're trying to find our way back to the parking lot. There's a lot of trails.
Working!
It is working, which is cool because I'm pretty hungry.
Being hungry is pretty cool too.
Grand. Welcome back. Wolf Creek Falls Preserve, that's what it's called.